In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online, dashboard, and left side navigation. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account so you're looking at the most current dashboard and the left side navigation shown on screen. This is your command center. On the left navigation, click Home to view your main dashboard. Here you'll see Business at a glance, a quick snapshot of your profit and loss, income, and expenses. Use this overview to spot trends. Check whether income is outpacing expenses, and confirm that recent activity is flowing in as expected. Next, click Accounting to open your chart of accounts and accounting overview. This is where every transaction lands, organized by accounts like bank, credit card, income, and expense categories. Understanding these categories helps ensure your reports are accurate and your books stay clean. Move down to Expenses and Pay Bills. This is your hub for recording expenses and managing bills from vendors. It's designed to track who you owe, when payments are due, and how each cost is categorized, so your cash flow stays on track. Head to Sales and Get Paid to create invoices and track payments. From here, you can monitor open invoices, check what's overdue, and see what's been paid, keeping you informed about incoming cash. Click Customers to add and manage customer information. Keeping contact details and terms up to date helps your invoices go out correctly and makes follow-up a breeze. Select Team to manage users and access permissions. Set who can see financial data or enter transactions. This helps maintain security and ensures people see only what they need. Open Tax to review and manage tax-related sections, such as sales tax tracking. This area centralizes tax settings and balances, so you're prepared when it's time to file. Click Marketing to access marketing-related tools that help promote your business and engage with customers from within QuickBooks. Use the Create Actions button to quickly add items like invoices, expenses, or customers without leaving your current page. It's a great shortcut for staying efficient. In the Bank Accounts section, choose the options to link a bank or view connected bank activity. Connected accounts feed transactions into QuickBooks so you can review and categorize them, reducing data entry and improving accuracy. At the top, use the search bar to find transactions, contacts, or reports. It's a fast way to jump to exactly what you need. And remember, you can return to home anytime to monitor your overall business overview and make sure everything looks right. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.